Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Motorola phone. And if your Moto phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you have hard reset of your phone, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get such type of display where you will get language option, a vision setting, emergency call and start button. So after the factory data and hard reset, when you go through the all the process with your phone, let's check either a phone has been unlocked or not. So here you can see after the factory data reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock, but here you will get the another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. When you will tap on this option, you will come on this page where you have to feed your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can go through with the Gmail ID password and go through the next option. But if you don't have, you can see here you are not getting any skip option in this page. It means your phone is now FRP locked, and here I am going to show you how you can bypass your FRP of your Moto phone to switch on your phone and completely unlock your phone. So this video is totally dedicated for FRP bypass of your Motorola phone. So you have to come on the page of the starting page. From the first page, you have to firstly make some changes. You have to change your language. From here you can see here that the English US is selected, so you can make sure that English language should be in US. Then after, you have to tap on this emergency call and dial a USSD, that is star 33300, then star 999, then star hash. You have to feed this USSD, then you have to tap on this call option. Now after that, you have to tap on this OK. Simply you have to use this USSD only one time. Then after, go to the back option and come to this starting page and home page. Now after that, you have to tap on this start option, and here you have to skip from here. Now skip from this page. Now here in this page, here you have to tap on this Motorola privacy policy and come to the next page. You have to scroll down, and the last option you have to select, and you have to tap on this URL, that is motorola.com support. You can see here it's not working, so don't worry at all. You have to select the another option, and you have to select this, and in this page you have to tap on this option. Now after that, you have to tap on this privacy, and here you have to go through these options. You can see here go to the back. Again, go to the back option. Simply done. Again, select this. Select this port control. Done. you have to come on this page. Here in this page you have to select this option. You have to check that here the country and region is showing US or not. So you can see here the region is showing here US, so that means it's okay. Simply you have to tap on this done option. Now go to the back and come to the starting page. Now you have to disconnect your cable from the phone, and here you have to eject your SIM from your SIM carrier. Okay, now from here you have to make some changes in the vision setting. You have to tap on this talkback option and you have to switch off this. Now go to the done, go to the back option. Now again start from here. You can see here you have to eject your SIM from your SIM tray. I have ejected, you can see here. Now after that you have to tap on this skip option. Skip from here. Now here uncheck this. Go to the accept and continue. So here you can see now where the Gmail ID and the password was asking to switch on your phone. Now you're getting here skip option at the left bottom of the phone, you can see here. So now you can easily tap on this skip option and tap on this skip to bypass this Gmail ID credential page, and now your phone is completely FRP unlocked and bypassed. Now it's a simple setup of your Moto phone. You can easily do with your own, because where you were going to stuck, that was the FRP lock. Now your phone is now completely FRP bypassed. And if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Motorola phone, then do like this video. And if you have stuck anywhere in this video, then make us comment. We will definitely respond on your comment, and definitely we will help you to bypass your FRP lock of your Motorola phone. And this video is completely applicable for any Android version of Motorola like 14, 15, 16 and 17, and this is completely applicable for all the model of the Motorola phones. So thank you so much. See you in the next videos.